Every December we make Burbara, a porridge of apricot paste, barley, raisins, and mixed nuts. Delicious served hot, warm, or even cold. Pre-soak barley in water and baking soda for an hour, rinse and drain, add to a pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Cook for 45 minutes. Soak a handful of raisins in boiling water to plump them up, about 20 minutes. Then, prepare apricot sheets by cutting them into chunks or strips. Add the chunks to a pot on medium-low heat. Add 5 cups of boiling water and stir frequently until completely dissolved. Add the plump raisins and the cooked barley and mix well. Season with ground aniseed and cook for 20 minutes until thickened. Ladle into bowls and let cool down. Sprinkle with ground aniseed and fennel. Decorate with the nuts of your choice. Experiment and find your groove.